guys, welcome to Career Consult. I believe that those who teach even a little thing in life, let it be technical or even life lessons, I consider them as a teacher. I hereby thanking all of my teachers and all of them who taught me even a little thing in my life, and I am wishing all of them a happy Teachers Day. In this video, I will be telling some free workshops. I will be providing that opportunity for you because due to COVID-19, so many students might have missed their Java programming, C++ programming, or any programming concepts, programming languages, or any technical concept they might have missed due to the internet problem. Let it be any reason. Due to COVID-19, they might miss that opportunity to learn that. They might have didn't understand that concept. So for that, I am going to provide a website which provides free workshops on Java, C++, Python, and so many workshops are there for free, and these workshops are free for lifetime. So here you will be building real world projects and you will be getting more knowledge. So what is the difference between the course and workshop is, course you will be learning the things, so in the workshop you will be implementing the things, but there are some courses where you will be implementing the thing also, so that is called project oriented courses. So I also provide that courses in the Telegram channel, that for free, and so hereby I request you to join my Telegram channel for free courses or job updates, internship updates, or workshop updates. So please join my Telegram channel. Now when I talk about the free workshops and learning free courses, you might have thought in your mind that now college has been reopened, so how to deal with both of them, both of the college classes and also these free courses or workshops? So how can we learn both of them? This is the main problem of so many students and also including me, because I am also a student. So but I promise you that after September 15 I will be uploading a video which will be really going to help you. So please subscribe my channel in order to get that video to you, and share this video with all of your friends also, because so many of your friends will also be facing the same problem. They are unable to learn more things because college has reopened, classes are conducting, and you are unable to have the time to learn more. So I will be making a special video, but that video will be after September 15. So I request you to support me and subscribe my channel, and please be ready to get that video that will help you to manage your time in a practical way, not a theoretical way. I am not going to say any of the theoretical ways. I will be telling the practical ways which I implemented. So for that, I really recommend you to watch my video after the September 15. So please subscribe my channel. So without wasting time, let's get started with today's video. So the website which I was talking is the packet website, which you can see here. So I will be enlarging this so that you can see the procedure clearly. So you can see the website here. So this is the website of the packet. So you will be getting the free workshops. So you can see here the things which they will be providing, and you will be having the opportunity to boost your skills, and they will be recommending some of the free workshops here: Python workshop, JavaScript workshop, HTML and CSS workshop. So I am just clicking on near free access here, so you will be getting all of the workshop which will be for free. So now you can see the website page here, free workshop access, and you will be having the 1 year of the access for these workshops, and I think you can easily finish all of this workshop which you are enrolled for free. So you can see here, this is a web development workshop here, and programming languages Python, Ruby, Java, Go. So somebody asked about the Go workshop, so here you can get the Go workshop and it is completely for free, but only one condition is that you have to finish that within a year. So you can see the C++ also workshop, SQL workshop. So many workshops are there. So I'm just clicking on the all courses here. So when I click on all courses, I will be getting the all workshops here. So you can see the workshops here. All of these workshops, almost all will be free: Python, Java, C++, PHP, Ruby, and all of them are having 5-star rating, and these are for free. And let me go to the second page so that you can also see some of the free workshops there. So the SQL workshop, HTML and CSS workshop, Go workshop, and data science React workshop. So here data science workshop is not for free, and up to here you will be getting the free workshop. So you can learn, if you want to learn Java or C or C++ or PHP, so any programming language, then you can just enroll for this workshop and get knowledge and skill and along with the certification. So how to enroll for this? So I am just show how to enroll for this Go workshop because someone asked for the Go workshop. So I will be just enrolling for that workshop. So you can see the content here, what you will be having in that. So you can see all of that, and you will be getting the certificate also. I'm just clicking on the learn for free here. So if you have created an account in the packet, then you can just log in, but I am not having any of the accounts, so I'm just creating an account there. So I'm just registering with the packet. So now I have just created my account here. So I'm just going for that Go, or otherwise I will just click on here Python. So now here you can see the website here. I have just enrolled for the Python workshop, and I can see this text, and all of the, not all, some of the content will be text and some of the content will be video. You will be having the text and video as the content, and you will be having some exercise also. So you can see the exercises here, so you can have the exercise also. So after completing all of these sections and content, you will be getting the certification. So this is about the today's packet website. So if you are enrolling for any of the workshop, then please make sure that you complete that workshop within 1 year, because this offer is valid for 1 year. So please utilize this opportunity, and if you don't know Java, or if you want to learn Java or any language, then you can utilize these opportunities, because this is a workshop, not a course. So course is different from the workshop, as I said before. So this will be really going to help you. So please stay tuned by subscribing my channel. In my next video, I will be providing the free course from the Microsoft, Google, IBM. So from the top companies, I will be providing the free courses for you. So that video will be on September 9th, Wednesday. Watch that video. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe my channel and join my Telegram channel. And you will be getting a more important video on the September 15th. It is under review and it will take some time, but that video will be really going to help you. Thank you, guys.